Imagine walking into an Apple store, looking at the M-series MacBooks we've known for years, and realizing everything you thought you knew about laptop performance was just a warm-up. For the past decade, Apple has been playing a calculated game of chess. They gave us the M1, the M2, the Pro, the Max, and the Ultra. We thought we were seeing the peak of silicon. We were wrong. Behind closed doors at Cupertino, a secret project has been simmering. A machine designed not just to iterate, but to completely obliterate the line between consumer laptops and quantum-grade computing. It's called the MacBook Neo 2, and it is about to change everything. If you're thinking about buying a MacBook today, tomorrow, or even later this year, you need to stop. Absolutely freezing. Because what is coming inside this chassis isn't just an upgrade. It's a paradigm shift that will make current-gen MacBooks look like expensive typewriters. To understand why the Neo 2 is causing absolute panic among competitors, we have to look at what Apple did in the dark. For years, the tech industry whispered about a black-budget project within Apple's chip architecture division. While the public was hyper-focused on incremental spec bumps, a rogue engineering team was tasked with a single brutal objective: build a laptop that requires zero compromises between extreme AI processing, thermal efficiency, and battery life that defies physics. The heart of the MacBook Neo 2 is a radical new architecture. We aren't talking about standard silicon anymore. The Neo 2 introduces a hybrid neural matrix core. In plain English, this means the laptop doesn't just process tasks sequentially. It anticipates them. It learns your workflow at a hardware level, shifting power dynamically before your rendering software or compilation tools even demand it. Think about the frustrations you have right now. The slight stutter when editing 8K ProRes video. The thermal throttling when rendering 3D environments. The sudden battery drain when you open 50 tabs alongside a heavy development environment. The Neo 2 treats these massive workloads like a walk in the park. But Apple didn't just stop at the processor. The display on the Neo 2 is a masterclass in psychological design. It utilizes a next-generation tandem OLED panel with adaptive fluid dynamics. When you look at it, the blacks aren't just dark, they are absolute voids. The peak brightness is designed to mimic natural sunlight without straining the human eye. It creates an optical illusion of depth, making your workspace feel three-dimensional. It's a display designed to lock your eyes in and never let them go. Let's talk about the design language, because this is where Apple is breaking its own rules. The MacBook Neo 2 abandons the predictable, safe curves we've seen since 2021. It introduces a hyper-dense, matte-absorbing alloy that feels almost organic to the touch. It is thinner than any MacBook Pro in history, yet it possesses a structural rigidity that feels indestructible. There are no visible speaker grills. Instead, the entire chassis acts as an acoustic chamber, projecting a soundstage that wraps around your head, creating a physical sense of space without headphones. But why now? Why would Apple drop a machine this disruptive when they already dominate the premium laptop market? The answer lies in the silent war for artificial intelligence supremacy. Every major tech titan is trying to lock you into their cloud. They want you paying monthly subscriptions to run heavy AI models on their servers. Apple hates this. Apple wants the power on your lap, completely offline,